Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, we're going to talk about is it worth it to have a US Bank Business Secured Credit Card? So, as you know, or maybe you don't know, the US Bank Business Secured Visa Card is designed just for small businesses looking to build or rebuild business credit. So, what you'll need to know, first of all, is the card basics. It is a secured, of course, like credit card, meaning that you must provide a security deposit of $300 to or up to $5,000. Your credit limit should be equal to the amount of your deposits as well. And of course, the US Bank reports to the major, basically like credit bureaus, helping you establish credit history. And of course, as you can see here, some of the benefit that it has is simply it has no annual fees. And of course, the credits built-in benefit. So of course, you can start security deposits from 300 to 5,000, as we said, and $0 annual fee. So your credit score, first of all, view your credit score anytime, anywhere in the mobile app or online bank. It's easy to enroll, easy to use, and free to the US Bank customers. So you can also choose your payment due, where as you can see, everyone's schedule is different. So it's handy to be able to pick when your payment is done. And zero fraud liability. So you are not responsible for unauthorized transactions if your card is ever lost or stolen. Of course, here you can see how the credit built-in card works if you want to, and here you can also see the reviews of other people about it. So as you can see, some people are giving it 1, and you can see why, as an example, why are they giving it that, and you can see as an example other people giving it 5, and you can see just right amount for I can afford now, and a lot of people, so it differs. But as you can see, overall the reviews is 4 stars out of 5, so that means it's good. So also some real like word feedbacks because users report this is the one of the few secured card offering real rewards, and some say, an example, the card can graduate to an unsecured version, but a hard credit inquiry may be required. And of course, the credit line increased are not automatic, but they often require another deposit or credit reviews. So basically, the prompt is it will help you build or repair business credit. It has strong reward for a secured card. It has no annual fees, and it is a digital tools, of course, or it's digital tools and credit tracking included. For the cons of this card, of course, it require a secured or security deposit, as we said before, from like 3,000 or 300 to 5,000. And reward categories may not match every business spending, and no guarantees upgrade path. Insecure version may require a hard pull. So if you're looking to build credits and your business, of course, spends regularly on dining, gas, or streaming, this card offers strong value with no annual fees and legitimate, of course, reward. And it's a great starter card for responsible business owners. But if you want a higher credit limit without tying up capital, consider an unsecured business card instead. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.